Good afternoon, student. Now let us solve this question. What are the possible expression for the dimension of the cuboid whose volume is given? The volume of a cuboid, as we know the formula, that is L into B into H, and we will factorize this 3x square minus 12x to get the length, breadth and height. So in this we can take 3x common. Now what is left? 3x into x will make it 3x square, and 3x into minus 4 will make it minus 12x. So we have factorized this, that is 3x x minus 4. Now we will take length as 3, breadth as x and height as x minus 4. This is one of the possible expression for length, breadth and height. But we can take length as 3 also. We can change the breadth and make it x minus 4, and the height can be written as x. This is the second expression. Similarly, we can take L is equals to x, breadth is equals to 3 and height is equals to x minus 4. And let us take one more expression. L is equals to x, breadth is x minus 4 and height is 3. This is the fourth expression. Now if we want to take x minus 4 as length, then length will become x minus 4, breadth will take as 3 and the height will be x. And if we take another one, L is equals to x minus 4, breadth is equals to x and height is equals to 3. These can be expression. Now if I take this as length, this is breadth and this is height. So L into B into H. So these are the 6 expressions that we can take for finding the volume, or that is 3x square minus 12x. Now let us take another example. In this it is given that the volume of cuboid is 12k y square plus 8k y minus 20k, and volume of cuboid is given by the formula L into B into H. Now 12k y square will take common here. If you see in this all we are having 4k common. 4 3s are 12 y square. Now 4k into 3y square, that makes 12k y square. Here it is 2y. 4k into 2y, that makes 8ky. And here 5. 4k into minus 5 is minus 20k. Now let us factorize this. 4k. Now we will factorize this 2y, or split this 2y. 3y square minus 3y plus 5y minus 5. This 2y I have written minus 3y plus 5y. Now let us solve this further. Now between these two, 3y is common. So we will get y minus 1. 3y into y is 3y square. 3y into minus 1 is minus 3y. Now between these two, 5 is common. So we'll get y minus 1. So 5 into multiplied by 5 is 5y, and 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Now we'll take common here. What is common in these two? Y minus 1. So y minus 1, and here we'll get 3y plus 5. So now we have got 3 expressions, that is, this is length, this is breadth and this is height. So L into B into H. So the first expression that I am writing is L is 4k, breadth is y minus 1 and height is 3y plus 5. So but we can change the order also. So L, if I write 4k, then breadth is 3y plus 5 and the height will become y minus 1. If I take length as y minus 1 and breadth as 4k, then height will become 3y plus 5. But here I can change the order. So L is equals to y minus 1, breadth is equals to 3y plus 5 and height will be equals to 4k. Now likewise you can change one more, we can get 2 more possible expression that you can do it yourself.